batch begins here. Raw potatoes arrive by the ton, ready for industrial processing. The intake bay opens, preparing the line to receive incoming raw material. Hydraulic dumping releases tons of raw potatoes directly into the intake hopper. Raw potatoes enter the system, carrying soil from the field into the plant.
The conveyor system transfers incoming potatoes deeper into the processing line.
High-volume washing begins, removing soil through controlled water turbulence. Cleaned potatoes are lifted upward while excess water drains away.
The rotating drum stabilizes flow while removing remaining surface water.
High-pressure washing removes remaining surface contamination before peeling.
Clean potatoes are transferred forward in a controlled, food-grade environment.
Gravity-fed hoppers regulate product flow before mechanical peeling begins. Abrasive rollers remove potato skins with controlled mechanical friction. Each potato is peeled evenly through controlled abrasion and water flow.
Fully peeled potatoes exit the machine, ready for visual inspection.
High-intensity lighting allows defects to be detected at this stage. Trained inspectors remove visible defects to maintain product quality. Automated optical systems identify defects beyond human vision. Air jets instantly remove defective potatoes without stopping production.
Water flumes transport potatoes smoothly while preventing surface damage.
The screw conveyor lifts potatoes out of water while allowing excess moisture to drain. High-speed blades slice each potato into uniform crinkle-cut chips. Fresh crinkle-cut slices are guided forward for starch removal. Water washing removes excess surface starch from fresh potato slices. Turbulent washing removes residual starch through controlled water circulation. Washed slices are lifted out as excess water drains away. Close inspection confirms surface cleanliness and moisture control. Air knives remove surface moisture before frying begins. A controlled mist prepares slices for consistent frying performance. Slices enter high-temperature oil, beginning the frying process. Moisture rapidly escapes as slices fry beneath the oil surface. Color develops as moisture drops and chips rise toward the surface. Internal paddles guide chips evenly through the frying zone. Fried chips are lifted out as excess oil drains away. Cooling conveyors stabilize chips while excess oil continues to drain. This is the result: crisp texture and controlled golden color. Gentle transfers prevent breakage while redistributing chips evenly. Liquid seasoning is applied evenly while chips remain hot. Vibration spreads chips evenly for consistent seasoning.
Vibration controls chip flow as seasoning preparation continues.
Chips enter the rotating drum for final seasoning distribution. Gentle rotation ensures even coating without damaging the chips. Powdered seasoning is evenly distributed while chips continue tumbling. Seasoned chips exit the drum, ready for final handling. Accumulation buffers product flow before final alignment. Chips are aligned into a single layer for accurate quality control.
Automated vision systems verify color, texture, and seasoning accuracy. Vision systems flag overcooked chips for immediate removal.
Targeted air jets remove defects without slowing production. Only approved chips continue forward toward final packaging. Bucket elevators lift chips vertically toward the weighing system.
Chips are evenly distributed before precise weight measurement.
Vibrating trays meter chips accurately toward weighing buckets. Each portion is weighed precisely before packaging. Weighed portions transfer directly toward the packaging system. Printed packaging film feeds continuously into the bag forming system. The forming collar shapes flat film into a continuous bag tube. The back seam is sealed to form a strong, airtight bag structure. Horizontal jaws seal and cut each bag with exact timing. Measured portions drop cleanly into each forming bag. The top seal closes each bag, locking in freshness. Sealed bags exit the machine and move to final inspection.
Individual packs are separated cleanly before robotic handling.
Robotic arms handle sealed bags with speed and precision. Each bag is verified to meet exact weight requirements. Metal detection ensures product safety before final packing. Delta robots orient bags precisely at high speed.
Robotic arms place each bag accurately into shipping cartons.
The carton is now complete and ready for sealing.
Filled cartons move forward toward automated closure. Automated systems fold and close each carton consistently. Each carton is securely sealed for transport. Each carton is labeled for tracking and distribution. Palletizing robots lift cartons for automated stacking. Cartons are stacked precisely to build stable pallets. Stretch wrapping secures the pallet for safe transport. Wrapped pallets are collected for warehouse storage and shipping.
The forklift lifts the pallet safely for placement or loading. Finished pallets are loaded and prepared for distribution.